My name is Nova, and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Here are today's sales. Some Jordan 1 mids, these Panda Dunk highs. I never actually put this in my inventory list because I forgot to, but I did cop this from a random exclusive access on Finish Line. People were saying these were bricks. They are bricks, but I managed to sell them on eBay, thank goodness. And also sold these Crocs. All of these were sold on eBay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fulfill this now. These are the shoes that came in today. A pair of New Balances, another one that I didn't log, but we can log it now in the inventory. Another Jordan 1 Shadow, a late shipment from Yeezy Supply Onyx Foams, and the Dunks that I copped last episode. All of the sizes that I got were 12 and 13. I think those are good sizes, but I just find it weird how it was just all those sizes. Didn't really get a good size distribution, but maybe it will work out in my favor. Anyways, gonna list these tomorrow. Releases are quite dry, but I do believe we have some Yeezys coming up later on in the month. But as of right now, I think basically just doing a bunch of selling. On the 11th, however, which is a few days from now, we do have Panda Dunks dropping, so I'm definitely looking forward to that. Today we got some Jordan 1 lows and some Panda Dunks dropping. This time I'm going to be using two phones because, I don't know, manual is really a cook for Finish Line and JD Sports, so that's what I'm trying to do. Hopefully we get something today. But JD and Finish Line does like mess around so much, it's super frustrating sometimes. So I wouldn't be surprised if at the end of the day, nothing ends up dropping, but they scheduled the release, so we'll see. Ooh, past the queue on one phone. Wait, what? Item out of stock. Ooh, got it in my bag. Continue to checkout. Let's go! I got one! Alright, just in time. My other phone just passed the queue. So, I'm going for it now. And these manual orders, they shouldn't get canceled either. So, that's a plus. Hopefully I can get another one. Hopefully. No. My other phone is just stuck on this page. Oh no, I really don't want to restart the app, but I think I don't have a choice. Damn, I'm just back in the queue on JD Sports. I mean, I expected it. Ooh, wait, I might be through on Finish Line. You need to update to the latest version to use the app. What a joke. Why didn't it update by itself? How do I force update apps, bro? I'm so stupid. Oh, I'm through on JD. Damn, bro, this might actually be out of stock. Bro, I don't understand this whole update. It says update available, but it's not available. What the I got something, so I guess I can't really complain. I just wanted more, but I'm happy with one. Anyways, we did make a couple of sales. We sold these Dunk Low Racer Blues, and we also sold pair of Panda Dunks in the GS sizing. So these are today's sales, the Union Cortezes that I unfortunately had to basically sell it for a loss, and Jordan 1 Corals. Today is the day. Panda Dunk Lows restocking. I better hit something this time because over the course of this web series, there has been 2 restocks on Nike for these Dunk Lows, and I haven't hit a single one of them. What the heck is that about? I've always chalked it up to me getting unlucky because I literally hit every single Nike and Nike sneakers release, except for these. We also have some Air Max 1 pennies dropping, so I'm gonna go for a few of those as well. In bigger sizes. We need to cop some sneakers. Hopefully we don't leave the day empty-handed. No, it's more the internet. Like, I got 1 penny. I hit 1. Oh my god. Yes, let's go. Damn, you hit women? Oh, I hit another one. Yo, I hit 1. Another one. Nice. I hit another. Another. That drop went absolutely amazing, considering my horrific track history when it comes to Panda Dunks and Nike. I got quite a lot of pairs. So very, very, very happy with the results. Anyways, behind me we got a bunch of shoes. These are the shoes that I sold today. Over here are the shoes that came in today. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack these up and get that shipped. Today we have some Bart Simpson dunks dropping in GS sizing. Not much else to say about this release. I think only Nike is gonna drop. Hopefully we get at least one. Would love to see how these look in hand. Oh, got one. Let's go. Dude, Nike botting is freaking amazing. It's just consistent. Developers for this are actually freaking crazy good. So another. And I think that is it. All the results are out. Ended up with 2. Freaking crazy. I mean, these aren't like insanely profitable, but I'm just so impressed at how good this spot works. All right, so here are today's sales. Got some Easy Onyx slides, LeBrons, and Jordan 1 low shadow toes. I have to say, these brick flips, they don't really move too fast. I got so many of these, but on the other hand, it's easy money. Just gotta be patient a little bit. So got some decent profit out of all of these. We'll be shipping these out today. So these are the sales for today. Sold a pair of Jordan 1 Shadow Toes and sold a pair of Ultra Boosts. Unfortunately, this week, just not a whole lot of releases going on. Some minor releases, that's about it. However, I believe that later this month we do have some Yeezy releases and I'm really looking forward to those. So yeah, just gonna pack these up, get them shipped out. That's about it. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one.